Hey everyone, today we are making bang bang shrimp similar to that from Bonefish Grill. Here's the ingredients we're using today, so be sure to check the description box for specifics and details. We are going to start by creating our sauce. Measure out about 1/4 cup of sriracha sauce and pour it in a bowl. If you're hesitant about the spiciness, then start with maybe 1/8 cup and then add from there to tweak the heat. I do the same for the sweet Thai chili sauce. Measure out 1/4 cup and add it to the bowl. This time I'm going to fill up my 1/4 cup twice with mayo and add it to the bowl for a total of 1/2 cup. Stir the sauces until they are very well combined. The color is closer to a dark orange, but it might appear a bit lighter on camera. For our shrimp coating, I am using both flour and cornstarch. So I'm going to add 1 cup of cornstarch to a bowl followed by 1 cup of flour. So it's about a 1-to-1 ratio. Cornstarch provides the super crispy crunch and the flour helps it brown to my liking. It's time to season our coating mix, and today I'm using seasoned salt and Old Bay seasoning, but by all means please use what you prefer. Try not to use too much seasoning because you don't want it to overpower the sauce that we use at the end. And don't be alarmed, it looks like I poured a lot, but it's really not. Alright, now crack 2 eggs into a bowl and pour in a splash of milk. Mix the eggs and milk together until it's a well combined custard. Here I have my shrimp that's already been cleaned, deveined, and lightly seasoned with the spices I used before. Add all of your shrimp into the custard and give it a good toss to make sure all of the shrimp gets evenly coated. Now it's time to coat our shrimp in the breading. I'm going to take a few shrimp at a time and place them in the mix and toss them until they are fully coated in the flour and cornstarch, and then set them aside on a plate. Here's how they should look. Now continue this process until you have coated all of your shrimp. Here I have my oil on medium heat, and I am going to add in my shrimp carefully and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Please be careful not to overcrowd the skillet. Now I'm going to flip them to the other side and make sure they aren't sticking together, and resume cooking for another 5 minutes. Once they're done, go ahead and remove the shrimp and drain them on a paper towel to remove some of the oil. At this point, you're pretty much done. You can decide to leave the shrimp plain on the side and just dip them one by one in the sauce and eat them, or you can dip them all in the sauce and enjoy them all at once. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.